In this video, I'm going to show you how to rename all photos at once in Windows 11. So what you want to do is first have a lot of photos, okay? So let's say you just transferred a bunch of your photos from your phone and they're all named something like this. So IMG or image or anything similar to this, okay? So I just copied a single image a lot of times over here in this downloads folder over here, but it will work the exact same way when you transfer some files or some photos or videos or whatever from your phone or another computer or anywhere else, okay? So let's say these names don't look too fancy, but you would like to name them something so you would know what those images are about. So let's say I would like to name all these images a landscape photo because, well, it's a photo of a landscape. If I open it up over here, as you can see, it's just a random landscape. So what you need to do is first select all the images by clicking Ctrl and A, that's the first option, or clicking those three dots up here and clicking select all, okay? Now once you've done that, you want to position yourself at one of the images. It doesn't really matter which one it is, but you can just go with the first one and it will work perfectly fine. Then you want to right click it and click over here where it says rename. You can also click F2 if you want to, but that's just the way I'm going to show you right now. You want to click rename, and then what you want to do is type in the name you would like this image to have. So let's say I want it to be landscape. So landscape photo, and that's it. What you then want to do is press enter, and as you can see, all the images have been renamed to landscape photo and 1 2 3 4 5, and they get the brackets from 1 to 33, which is the exact number of photos there is in this folder. And that's how we rename all the photos at once in Windows 11.